There's one and only one source for everything you need to know about this class, and that's your slide deck. Now, that slide deck is real easy to find because if you'll just go to Google Classroom, it is the very first thing underneath the stream or the very first thing underneath coursework. So in either of those cases, there it is. Whether you're Geometry or Algebra 2, everything you need to know is in that slideshow. Edpuzzle, Delta Math, Flipgrid, it's all in there. All of the due dates are set to the last day of the quarter. The reason they're set to the last day of the quarter is because, again, let's go back to those students with medical, family, or extenuating circumstances. With those three items, I have to keep the practice open to make sure every student has the opportunity to be successful. But that doesn't mean waiting until the last minute to do it, because I'm going to put grades in as we go through each of the Delta Maths, as we go through the slides. Each week I'm going to be updating grades so you know exactly where you're at. You are expected, regardless of whether you attend the class or not, to be up with us right where that big red arrow is. Additionally, parents, just a reminder, where do we go for grades? Grades, as always and forever at Warrensburg-Latham, are in Skyward Family Access. That's where you go to the grades. All of the Delta Math will get put together each week for a grade. All the Edpuzzle for that week will get put together for a grade. Remember, this is a math class and there's a little bit to do every day. In all cases, it is intended to be done within the time frame that remote learning provides. With that, folks, I hope you know where to find the information you need for the class, that one source in that slide deck, that you understand what the due dates are based on the red arrow. They may be listed on the slides, but it's always where the red arrow is. Also, that Delta Math and Edpuzzle are there for you to do it over and over and over to get it right and to do well. And remember, I'm always here to help you. With that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, you're expected to be in class, so I'll see you on the Zoom, or I'll assume that you're watching the Zoom from home.